Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is about mole concept, and in that mole concept we will learn how to calculate the molar mass. So let's start the video. So friends, when there is any chemical reaction, we can say carbon plus oxygen, it is giving CO2, carbon dioxide. So what in general terms we can say 2 grams of carbon reacts with 2 gram of oxygen and gives 1 gram of carbon dioxide, or 2 grams of carbon dioxide, something like that. So in terms of chemist, or they want more accurate terms to define the reaction. So they need to define the reaction in terms of number of particles who reacted to give the number of particles what we get. So for that issue, they started to use the term mole. So when we are talking about mole, that is, we need to create a relation between the number of particles and the atomic mass, or something the weight in grams. So they create a formula that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. This is called our Avogadro number, and it is denoted by Na, or somewhere you can see in written N0. This is called Avogadro number. It means in 1 mole of any substance, the number of particle is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is fixed. Fine. This much is clear. And this 1 mole is equal to the mass of the substance, which is in grams. So this is mass of substance in gram. So this mass of substance should be atomic mass, molar mass, or the ionic mass. Any three will be there. So now we have a relation between mass and mole and the number of particles. So using this concept, we can say that carbon, we knew carbon, everybody knew carbon's atomic mass is 12. That we knew. Now from here, how we will get the moles and the number of particles? So carbon atomic mass is 12. So we can say what is the mass of the mole? That will be molar mass, and that is 12 gram. Same as I told, mass of substance in gram, that is called molar mass. So carbon 12 is having 12 gram of molar mass, and number of particles in 12 gram of carbon should be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Clear? In the same way, oxygen, let's have oxygen. Oxygen's atomic mass is 16. Now what will happen? It's gram atomic mass, or we can say molar mass, both are same thing. Gram atomic mass is 16 gram. We can write like that. Now in 16 gram, how many particles are there, or how many oxygen atoms are there? In 16 gram of oxygen, we can say 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms will be there. This is the relation between mole and mass of the substance, or we can say Avogadro number. So these three steps are there. Now what is atomic mass and molar mass, and what is the difference? Atomic mass or molar mass is simply the mass of the substance. What is the mass? We can say if any atom is having, suppose I told you about carbon. Carbon is having 6 proton plus 6 electron plus 6 neutron. It's not 6 neutron, but it is in some decimal, but for ease of calculation we take it as a round number. Now mass should be proton plus neutron, which is in the nucleus. So 6 plus 6, that is 12. This is called the mass number, or atomic mass, or the molecular mass. If there is a molecule like O2, O2 means O plus O. Okay, this is oxygen molecule. So oxygen molecule in the nucleus, they have how many electrons, protons? In the nucleus there are only protons and neutrons. So we knew that 8 proton. Why I am telling I knew that 8 proton? Because I knew that electrons are 8. So protons are also 8, and same quantity we will take for the neutron. So 8 plus 8, that is 16. In the same way, 8 plus 8, that is 16. So oxygen molecule is having 2 oxygen atoms, and both is having 16 atomic mass. So O2 yani oxygen molecules, now it is molecular mass will be, it is 32. Correct? So when we are talking about atomic mass, we will take the mass of the atom, and if we are talking about molecular mass, we will take the mass of the molecule. And one more point, if there is ions, then there is no change in the atomic mass of anything. Okay, the mass, atomic mass will be the same, either it is the element is used in the form of ion. So one thing, this is atomic mass, and second thing is atomic mass unit is always U or AMU. We'll mention AMU or U. For molar mass, when we are mentioning, it should be in grams, and the values, the numerical values will be same, only the difference of unit. So same we can say for carbon, it is atomic mass is 12 and the molar mass is 12 gram. For hydrogen, atomic mass is 1, the molar mass is 1 gram. For H2O, atomic mass is, or we can say here, now H2O is a molecule. Molecular mass is 2 into 1 for hydrogen plus 16 for oxygen. So it is 18 gram. This is the calculation of molar mass in grams. This is also 18 and this is also 18. Same. The value will be same, the unit will be different. This is 12 unit, 1 unit, 18 unit. We can write like that. Now this is the story. Come up to the numericals. So first one is calculate the molar mass of C2H2. So for this we need to know the atomic mass. For carbon it is 12, for hydrogen it is 1. So now here we will write 2 into 12 plus 1 into 2. It is now 24 plus 2, that is 26, and now in grams. So molar mass will be denoted in grams. Second one is S8. So we knew this sulfur's atomic mass is 32. Now here sulfur is in form of 8, that is sulfur molecule. Sulfur molecule means 32 into 8. So 16, 25, 256 gram. This will be the gram atomic mass or molar mass of the sulfur molecule. For HCl, hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Chlorine atomic mass is 35.5. So simply 1 plus 35.5, it will be 36.5 gram. For HNO3, hydrogen 1, nitrogen mass is 14, oxygen is 16. So now 1 plus 14 plus 3 into 16. Let's calculate 1 plus 14 plus 3 6 18, 48. It will be 63 grams. So this is the story of how to calculate molar mass. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel to get the notification for the next coming videos. Till then, thank you.